Copyright is a form of protection given to the authors or creators of original works of authorship. This includes literary works, musical works, dramatic works, dances, photos, artwork, movies, music, and even architecture. It is actually illegal to publish photographs of the Eiffel Tower lit up at night because of copyright law. Copyright gives the holder the exclusive right to manage their work. This includes making and distributing copies, performing or otherwise displaying the work in public, and making derivative works or adaptations. Some exceptions do exist, the most notable being fair use. Fair use allows copyrighted works to be used for purposes of critique, comment, education, or parody, as affirmed in SunTrust Bank versus Houghton Mifflin Company. The purpose of copyright was to encourage artistic production by granting the artist or author a temporary monopoly over their own work, which would eventually expire to promote advancement. The first copyright law in the U.S. was passed in 1790 and granted authors copyright protection for 14 years, with the option to renew for an additional 14-year period. By 1909, the copyright law had changed so as to allow for two 28-year periods of copyright protection. In 1976, the law was revised again, extending protection to the life of the author plus 50 years, and works of hire for 75 years. Another extension was granted in 1998, protecting an author's copyright for the life of the author plus 70 years. The driving force behind these extensions has been heavy lobbying influence by the Walt Disney Company. Steamboat Willie, the first Mickey Mouse cartoon, was released in 1928, meaning that, under the copyright law at that time, the cartoon should have entered the public domain in 1956 or 1984 if the renewal option was taken. Disney's successful efforts to protect their copyright hold on Mickey Mouse has shaped American copyright law. As of today, the copyright on Mickey Mouse will expire in 2023, but I'm sure we can expect a new extension of copyright protection before that time.